In this video, I would like to talk about third sentence of kinds of sentences. Before this video, I have discussed the first sentence that was about declarative sentence, and also that in second I discussed that was interrogative sentence. Now its third number is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a request, a command and suggestion is called imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a request, command and suggestions. It usually begins with base form verb. It usually begins with base form of verb. Base form of verb. Now let's discuss the example of request first, then commands and then suggestions. So now let's discuss the first. We have request. So the example of request is, please write the homework. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please write the homework. Write the homework. Please post the letter. The second example is, please post the letter. Post the letter. The third example is, please come to class on time. Please come to class on time. And the second one is called command. Command. So the example of command is, it's the face become angry. An angry mood, we say that come here. Come here. We add exclamation mark. Why? In a majority and usually in a imperative sentence, we add full stop. But while if we talk about command, so we add exclamation mark. Like for example, I say stop there. What I call here? So I say stop there. So we add exclamation mark because of command. And the third one is, I say that close the door. So we add exclamation mark here. And usually in imperative sentence we add a full stop. But if we talk about command, so we add exclamation mark. And these sentences usually begin with base form verb. Like come, it's a first form of verb, stop and close, etc. The last one is called suggestion. Suggestion you can also call suggestion. Suggestion means, for example, I say that you should help the poor people. You should help the poor people. You should apply for the job. You should apply for the job. Apply for the job. For the job. You should study hard. You should study hard. You should study hard. Study hard. So now, in this video, I have discussed imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a request, command, and suggestions. It usually begins with base form form. Base form form means first form form. Now let's talk about request. So example of request, we mostly add please. Please write the homework. Please post the letter. Please come to class on time. At the end we mostly add period or full stop. And if we talk about command, so mostly we order. Command is equal to order. So we say come here. At the end we add exclamation mark. If we talk about stop here, so we add exclamation mark. Close the door, we add exclamation mark. If we talk about suggestion or suggestion, so there are so many more examples. Like I say you should help. You should help the poor people. Sorry for that, help is missing here. You should help the poor people. The second is you should apply for the job. And the third example is you should study hard. So this was the end of imperative sentence. And next video we will discuss the rest of two sentences.